Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Trust Wallet API key. It's important to understand that Trust Wallet, as a non-custodial wallet, does not issue API keys directly to individual users. This design prioritizes your security and control over your assets. Instead, developers typically interact with blockchain networks through public APIs provided by various services or by running their own nodes. For developers looking to integrate with blockchain functionalities, there are established methods. You can utilize public blockchain explorers and their APIs, like those offered by Morales or Etherscan for Ethereum. Additionally, Web3 libraries such as Web3, JS, or Ethers. JS provide robust tools to interact with smart contracts and retrieve data directly from the blockchain, bypassing the need for a wallet-specific API key. Trust Wallet's core philosophy centers on security and decentralization. By not offering a direct API key, it ensures your private keys never leave your device, maintaining maximum control over your funds. This non-custodial approach means there's no central server or API that could be compromised to access your wallet. Your interaction with the blockchain is always direct, through your wallet's interface or via secure developer tools. To summarize, while you cannot obtain a direct API key from Trust Wallet, developers have ample resources to build and integrate with blockchain networks. Always prioritize secure development practices and leverage established public APIs or Web3 libraries. Remember to check the description for links to these resources and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. Thank you for watching, and stay secure in your blockchain journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.